Hi Miamou fam, and welcome to another episode of Sweet Saturday. So today I'm so excited because I will be having bread. So I will be having loaves of bread from Gangnam sikpang. So it's a chain bakery here, and so I got different types of bread. I will explain them as I eat them. But yeah, the lady there was so nice. She gave me 2 of these. She was asking me like, are you gonna eat with your friends or something? Like, are there a lot of people? And I was like, I didn't want to tell her I was gonna eat by myself. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna eat with my friends. So she gave me an extra one for free. And I'm like, oh my God, that's so sweet. Let's eat. Oh my God. We gotta try this one first. So I'm not really sure what that is, but it's made of rice. And there is like sesame on top and stuff like that. So it kind of looks like a pound cake, but we'll see. Cheers. Oh my God. This is really dense, but kind of chewy at the same time. I love it. I think it's a Japanese style bread from Okinawa, I think. That's what I saw. Yes. Oh my God, they also make chocolate. So I got this white chocolate with fruits. There's pistachios, almonds, kiwi, and stuff like that. I love handmade chocolate. It's melting. It looks so cute, right? It looks so pretty. I love white chocolate. Usually I'm not a fan of oranges, but it goes very well with it. Sorry if my voice is a little husky. I came back at 7 a.m. last night. I went to the club. Things get a little wild, you know? The kiwi part is so good. Wow. Love this. So good. Okay, let's try the bread now. Oh my god. So I got savory breads and sweet breads. So these are savory. This is basil and cheese, and this is squid ink and cheese. This one is my favorite, sweet potato and chocolate. So let's start with this one. Okay, I was expecting cheese in the middle, but apparently it's on top. Let's see. Mmm. Wow. I love how the bread is always so chewy. It's not dry at all. Cheese, I see you. I wonder what type of cheese that is, because it's very, very salty. I think the color's so cool. Very nice. It's way saltier than I thought. Because usually in Korea, they don't really eat salty food, so it's really hard to find something that is only savory, you know? And this is quite salty. And there's some nuts and raisins, I think. So good. Okay, let's try the basil and cheese now. Oh my god. Wow. I love basil. Oh, wow. This one is a little more dry, but it's okay. Still good. All that basil. I think this would go great with pasta as a side. Not bad. I like this one better. Okay, now let's try my favorite sweet potato. Let's see if this one is any good. My favorite is from Paris Baguette. Oh my god, yes! So excited. Oh, smells like sweet potato. That's it. This is the best. Oh my god. Wow. Look at all the sweet potato inside. Wow. It's bomb. The bread is super soft. Sweet potato is like so creamy. You would think it would be pretty dry, but it's not. It's so good. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. It's so different from any other bread. It's crazy. Amazing. Okay, now chocolate. This one already smells so good. Mmm. This is one of those that you have to heat up so that the chocolate melts. I forgot. But wow. It's super rich. Comment down below if you remember the first video I did with the chocolate melt bread. I feel like it was so long ago. So good. You guys, next month it will be my 2nd year on YouTube. 2 years anniversary. I mean, doing mukbang. Because I've been on YouTube for way longer. This is so good. It tastes like the chocolate powder that you use to make hot chocolate. Very rich. I like them all, except for this one. I think is the last. This one is kind of dry. I like the taste of it though. Maybe if I heat it up, it would be way better. I will try that next time. Oh my god, look at the cheese. Didn't see that. Oh my god. It's like a skin. Bread skin. Wow. No wonder it's so salty. There's like cheddar cheese and Emmental cheese mixed together. This is so nice. Oh, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like the cheddar cheese you put in hamburgers. Like I like to call it plastic cheese. Love that. I really like it. Cheese. I must look like a mess right now. This is so good. I don't know what it is, but the sweetness is kind of like honey and cinnamon. I don't know. All right, this is gonna be the last bite. Cheers. Wow, so good. I'll make sure to finish these later because they're absolutely bomb, and I think heated up it must be even better, the chocolate and the basil one. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe today, and I will see you next week for Savory Wednesday. Bye Miamou fam, love you. Bye bye.